Here's another puzzler. Here's another brain teaser. Like, besides the San Francisco Giants, where does that name come from? The Giants? That's the Nephilim, the Giants, the days of Noah and the Nephilim. So, Los Angeles, right? Los Angeles, the angels, the dark angels. It's not Los Angeles, it's L-O-S. It's Los Angeles. Female angels, there you go. Homosexual feminization of the satanic realm, the violation of God's commandments. Los Angeles, or Los, they've lost their minds in Los Angeles.